Welcome to Joe's Gaming and Electronics. My name is Matt, and I'm going to be walking you through filling out the repair form on our website so that you can send your electronics into us for repair. You want to start by just going to joesge.com. If you're on mobile, click the lines up in the top left corner and click Repair Services. If you're on desktop, just click Repair Services right on the home page. Once you've clicked Repair Services, just go ahead and select the brand that you want to have repaired. If you are going to be sending in multiple items, you'll have the opportunity to add items to your repair order of different brands at a later time. Once you've selected the brand, just go ahead and read through some of the general information on the page that you agreed with, and then when you're ready, just click the Fix My Device button. In this case, we'll go ahead and click on the headphones since that's the only option. Then we're going to select the model of headphones that we'll be sending in. And then on the next page, you will be selecting the issues that you're having with the headphones. If you're unsure of the exact issue that you have with your device, just go ahead and select the one that seems to fit best for your device. This is only going to give you a cost estimate for the repair, and we'll actually diagnose your device once we receive it. So you can click any category that you feel best describes the issues that you're having with this device. When you're done, go ahead and then click Next. You'll now be on a summary page that just shows you a general repair cost estimate for your device, and this is only an estimate. We won't actually give you the exact repair cost until we've received your device or devices, gotten a chance to inspect them, and then we'll send you an email that says, hey, this is how much the repair is going to cost. Would you like us to go ahead with that repair? So you actually have to confirm the repair cost with us before we will repair anything. And if you decide that you don't want them repaired, we'll just send them back to you free of charge so long as you're within the US. At this point, you can either add another device to your repair order, or you can click Next to go to the next page. The next page is just your general old order information, your name, your address, and your contact information. We just want to make sure all of this information is correct. So if you can just go over it and make sure that everything you've entered is correct, that would be phenomenal. We want to make sure your device gets shipped back to the correct address. Towards the end of that form, you are going to see a notes section. This is really useful for describing more of the issue that you're having with your device, or if you're sending in an Apple device that has an iCloud account on it, we would appreciate if you either took the iCloud account off of that device before you sent it in, or if you can simply just include the password for your iCloud account or the passcode for the device in the notes section of the repair form. That would be extremely helpful, as some of the repairs require that we remove the iCloud account and/or be able to unlock the device to fully test it and make sure that it's working properly. Optionally, you can also enter the serial number for your device or devices just above the notes section. Now, one of the last options on the page might make you a little suspicious, but I just want to assure you, as sure as I can twist my whiskers, we're not going to sign you up for any sort of mailing list or anything like that. Just select your communication preference, whether that's email, text, or a phone call, and we'll be in contact with you with order updates and information about your repair as it progresses. The last thing to do on this page is simply just tick that checkbox saying that all of this information is accurate, then submit your request and wait about 30 seconds for the next page to load. On that page, you're going to see 3 different videos that show you how to package your items safely for shipment. These are all for the different types of shipping labels that we send out, depending on which items you'll be sending into us. So what you'll want to do is just check either your text messages or your email account for a message from Joe's Gaming and Electronics, then locate the shipping label that should either be at the bottom of the email or within a link in that text message, and look at the middle section of the shipping label to see if it says either first class mail or priority mail or something like Region A or Region 1 box. Then go back to the page and watch the video that's associated with the shipping label that you received from us. This video will just show you how to safely package your item and make sure that there's no additional fees incurred when you ship your device into us. If you're shipping your device into us from out of the country, you are responsible for all shipping costs, both to and from our shop, as well as any customs fees that your country might declare when you receive your package back. As always, please feel free to reach out to us via text, email, or phone call, and we'll get back to you as quick as we can. Thank you so much for choosing Joe's Gaming and Electronics for your repair needs.